Hi, Internet. Today I went to some cool pet stores around Cincinnati and the Newport Aquarium. So this is at Aquarium Artisans. This is a dragon moray. They're super cool. One of the coolest species of eel out there. The patterning, the horns, the teeth. They're really neat. Then this is at Aquatics and Exotics. And they have this amazing shark tank. You can see the black tip reef sharks there. Cool thing is this tank is actually the exact same size as my cistern. 8 foot high, 22 feet long, and then 12 feet wide. Here you can see the nurse shark. But yeah, super cool to see all this at a pet store, especially. So like stuff you see at public aquariums, a lot of that is available to the public. This here is a Woof eel. I keep getting tagged in posts about these guys. They have super powerful teeth for cracking up crabs and shellfish. Super cool to see. This guy was just laying down. Then these here are what the Newport Aquarium is really known for. They market them as shark rays. They are actually called bowmouth guitarfish. They're technically a species of ray just based on gill placement and the way their mouth is. But yeah, these guys are super cool. And there's a whole family of guitarfish. There's another one later on in this clip. But yeah, next up we have the needlefish. I really like needlefish because I really like gar, and these are basically a modern version of the gar. You can see they have that exact same long snout for catching little bait fish up towards the surface in shallow salt water. But yeah, a lot of these guys, actually sometimes they do make their way up into freshwater too. There's some freshwater versions of them that do best in brackish. But yeah, then here we have some garden eels. Also not a true eel, they're just hilarious and really entertaining to watch. The way they just kind of look around. Super cool, super goofy little fish. Then next up we have the walking batfish. I've actually had these in stores as well. They actually do use those little legs to kind of get around. They're kind of hard to care for because they do almost always want live shrimp. It's possible but hard to convert them over to frozen food. Then this is a green basilisk. I actually just saw wild brown basilisks down in Florida. These are also known as the Jesus lizard because they run on water. Then here is a clear nose guitarfish. So yeah, this is related to the bowmouth. And these ones are actually in the pet trade too. And so are these maboo puffers. These are the largest freshwater puffer in the world. They can actually get 3 foot. And these are the Mexican blind tetras that people were asking me to do in the pit. They're the only really commercially available cave fish species. Here we have some dart frogs. I used to actually have some of these black and green ones. I think they were called Dendrobates auratus. But yeah, they're a lot of fun too. Just fruit flies are a lot of work to keep them. Next up, last one, we have a green moray. These are one of the larger species of moray. I believe they can get 10 feet. 7 foot's a lot more common. But yeah, absolutely massive for an eel.